So what's up, my people? It's your boys Weekend Girl once again with another video. So without taking much of a time, I actually want to make a video about today's CIPHER, daily CIPHER, to earn the daily 1 million token if you actually crack the code. So maybe in my next video I will tell you guys why I'm not been active. For now, let me just get straight to the point for those of you that actually need this particular thing. So this is HAMSTER. First of all, I would not like you to tell me what is your profit per hour. I know most of you guys must have passed me or still at the same rank with me because I've been kind of not active lately because of my health condition. So that's by the way. So tell me in the comment section what is your profit per hour. Let me know if you guys are actually in mine. So as you can see, my own is over 1.68 million, that kind of thing. So how do you get the daily CIPHER? For me, I'm not doing this daily combo of 18. No, I'm not doing it because the coins that might giving me this daily combo of 18 just for 5 million is going to cost me more than 10 million. So I'm not actually doing it anymore. So what we're going to do today is daily CIPHER. So daily CIPHER's code is as am I going to list it right now. So it's going to be Ford. So Ford, how you do it is very simple. Double tap hash and another tap. You see the F is there already. So double tap again, hash is there already, and then hash double tap, and you see it. I've just cracked the code and this is it for the day. So if I click on take the price now, it's going to give me the 1 million pieces for the day. So why I'm actually doing this is because it's not going to cost me anything. And unlike daily combo nowadays, I've actually upgraded many of my card, which is going to actually cost me more than what I earn from the daily combo. So that is it. So again, try your best to be increasing your special, your profit per hour by being smart in the game, buying cards that are cheaper and still going to be giving you a good rate. So just like this particular one that says sport integration, so this particular one is going to cost me 130.671 coin, and it's going to give me 4.5k per hour. So it's going to be increasing because the more coin you buy, the more it's going to be increasing what it's going to cost you. So in the next 30 minutes, it's going to give me another option to buy. It's going to now cost me 193k, which is going to give me almost 5,000 coins. So that is just it. I'm going to be doing it maybe in the next 30 minutes. I'm going to come back again and increase my profit per hour. So the main thing is for me to reach 2 million profit per hour before any other thing is coming. So, and regarding to it, it says listing is on the way. Tasks will appear below. Cooperate them to participate in airdrop. So you guys know that it says that profit per hour is the main thing we're actually chanting in the airdrop. So that is it. I wish not to waste you more of your time in this particular thing. I hope you guys got value from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon for more updates. I'm coming in some days coming with back-to-back content on this our crypto space. So don't be left behind. Subscribe and join the group in the description of this video. My name still remains King, and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys on my next video. Bye.